Bells, it's MelissaDanielle. You guys have been asking me to do more makeup tutorials on my channel, and I don't tend to do them because I don't feel like they get a lot of views. So if you want me to keep doing these videos, just watch them, let me know, and I will be happy to do them for you. This one is actually inspired because I did a Fashion Nova order. They were having a special, like if you spent $75 or I spent $100, I think it was $75. They would send you a Maven beauty box worth $100. So there's like $100 worth of makeup in this box, and that was a free gift with your purchase, what I thought was so bomb. When I first got this box, I was like, it's giving very much Nike vibes. But it's actually really cute packaging on the inside. I've already opened up everything. I've been looking at everything. So this is the packaging on the inside, very cute. Very happy to see a Black woman in the magazine here. There's other women, of course, but just seeing that is awesome. And then this is what the packaging looks like. So you get a lot of stuff. I have 2 different eyeshadow palettes, 2 different lipsticks, liquid eyeliner, a highlighter that I'm going to be using, which is so freaking pretty. And then they sent this, I think it's a primer. Yeah, it's a primer for like it's an eyeshadow base, like primer for your eyeshadows. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this stuff today. So I've already primed my face and filled in my eyebrows. I also put on my sunblock. I'll be using sunblock like every day. You guys, if you're not using it, start using it. I noticed too when I use sunblock, my under eye bags, which I've had all my life, they look a lot lighter. But yeah, I'm using my sunblock. This is from Dermalogica. Yeah, I said it right. This is the Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF 50, and I love it because it makes your skin look really moisturized. And as you guys can see, your skin does not look white once you put it on, so that's really important to me. It reminds me just of a moisturizer, but it's actually sunblock. So yeah, I have this on. So yeah, let's get into this video. I don't want it to be too long. We're going to do our eyes first, so that way if we have any fall off, we don't gotta worry about cleaning up our foundation base. So this is called the Basic Beat Cream Eyeshadow. And this can be used as an eyeshadow base. And this is the color Brulee. It looks like this. I'm just going to put some on my finger and blend it out. This is very, very creamy. Oh God, I just realized I didn't tell you what I primed my face with. I'm using the Lancome Prep and Matte Face Primer. I need to put some of that on my nose because my nose gets so oily. I already put some on my eyelids. That's so pretty. Look at that. This packaging is so freaking cute. This one is called the Basic Beat. And this one is called the Bold Blend. I want to grab this color right here. And we're going to put that like all over the lid. This is going to help set that eyeshadow base. And that will help prevent creasing. I'm just using this Real Techniques brush. This is number B04. It's just a fluffy blending brush, eyeshadow brush with this orange. And I'm going to create a half moon or whatever you want to call it. This is going to be my transition color. I'll say these colors are blending out really well. Okay, so we're going to go into this brown. So using that same brush. And this one is going to go deeper into the crease. So like my crease is right here. I'm just tapping it into that area and then blending it out. I'm gonna try a more compact brush to see if I can get a darker, because it's not giving me the deepness that I want. So let me see if I can get a tighter brush to pack it in there. I just think it's really light. So this is going to give you more of a natural beat, like a more soft glam look, but I need like some darkness. We're going to go into the Spotlight palette, which is full of different shimmery golden highlighter almost shades. You guys should already know I'm going to go for this gold color because I love me some gold. I'm using a smudge brush. Actually, I need a mirror closer to my face so I can make sure I'm putting this on right. So I'm gonna take this color right here and put it under my brow bone. So I'm put some on my inner tear duct. I'm gonna do too, because this gold, it's not popping like I want it to pop. I'm gonna use some of my makeup fixer spray from Ofra and get this brush wet, and then we're gonna dip it into the palette and see if it gives me a more pigmented gold, because I like my gold to pop. That's better. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. I'm gonna use the Maven Beauty waterproof liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna use this to draw a cat eye, but up here. I already opened this up, so I'm gonna draw it on my hand, make sure it ain't too wet. Oh, it's not. So I think you have to twist this. Yeah, you have to twist it. Oh! Okay, that was too much of a twist. Oh my God, it's everywhere. Don't get on my carpet. Oh my God. That went everywhere, you guys. It almost went all inside the palette. So twist it gently. Be patient with it. Oh, look how wet that is. Oh, it's so wet. It's too wet. It's getting too thick. So I'm gonna go back into this palette and get this brown, and we're gonna blend it out. I want to get this a little bit more darker, so I'm gonna get a different palette that has a black in it so I can really blend this out, because it's not blending like I thought it was gonna blend. You can use whatever palette you have that has a black eyeshadow in there. I'm just gonna go over this and blend it because I want it to be smoky. So we're gonna go back into that brown shade and we're gonna blend this out some more. Okay, so we're gonna put on our eyeliner so that we can put on our lashes. So guys, if you didn't know, I have my own eyelash brand called Dolled Up Lashes. I will have a link for them down below in the description bar, so go check it out. And these are the ones I'm gonna be using today, which are so freaking gorgeous. And these are called EVA. Just gonna put on a little bit of mascara. I'm going to be using the Ilure lash and liner adhesive. It's a glue, but it's a liner, which is fire. I haven't even gone back to using my old glue since I got this stuff. Now with this stuff too, like when you're wearing eyeshadow, it's tougher to put it on. But normally I put it on my naked eye and it just glides on. I said my naked eye eyelid. Okay, let me do that and I'll be right back. So guys, we're gonna do our under eye after we're done with our foundation and stuff, because I don't want to get makeup on top of it. I'm gonna use some Juvia's Place, I don't know, it's concealer. I have the color number 12. Lately I really haven't been wearing concealer. I've just been putting on foundation. But today I'm gonna put a little bit on under my eyes before I put my foundation on. I haven't been liking the way it looks after the foundation goes on. Like, I feel like it's too bright. I don't know how to describe it, but I don't like it like that no more. It's like nowadays I just wear some foundation, or I put my concealer on under my foundation. I'm going to be mixing these two together. Normally I just wear this one, but I want to have it a little bit brighter. So I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place foundation. This is Burkina. So I don't know. It's number 310. And I have my Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless SPF 15 Full Cover Oil-Free Shine Control. Girl, what's up with these names? So I have my Bobbi Brown foundation. This is the Skin Longwear Weightless foundation. This is the color Warm Golden W-076. I'm just gonna mix these two together. Guys, don't look at my foundation brush. Like, I cannot let this brush go. I need to get another one. I just keep procrastinating because I'm like, it still works, it still works. But this is from Shannon B Miami. It's their foundation brush, and it's like a stippling brush. I just love it so much. It gives me such bomb coverage. I'm using the Mercier translucent powder to set my face. Parts of this video I have to fast forward through because this video is going to be too long. I'm just contouring my face right now. I have the Maven Beauty Draped Up highlighter. It comes like this. So I have the mirror on one side and then the highlighter. I've already dipped my finger in there because I wanted to see how it looked. It's very beautiful. So guys, I have two lipsticks too. I have the color Maven Red and then Snatched, and they are both matte lipsticks, and they have magnetic lids, which I love so much. They're really beautiful. It won't show you probably on camera how the texture looks on here, but it is so like little bitty little dots, like pinpoint dots. It's really cute. So this is Snatched. We're gonna be wearing that today because I'm wearing purple and I don't want to have red lipstick with purple outfit on. Let me swatch this one since I'm not going to be wearing it. It's a nice vibrant red. It says matte, but it looks like it's a little moist. Maybe because I just put it on. Maybe a little dry matte. We'll see when I put the other one on. I'm just going to put a little bit of this contour shade under my eye. I'm gonna grab some of that black and do my under eye as well. A bit closer to the lash line. So I have my Blink Black Lash Primer. I'm gonna put some of that one first and then put some mascara on top of it. So I have my Buxom Waterproof Mascara in the color Black is Black. I probably should have sprayed my face before I put on my mascara, but I like to spray my face after I put my highlighter on. So yeah, this is just a hot mess. Such vampy eyes. So we're definitely going for a nude lip today. Okay, so let me put on my highlighter and my lipstick. So let's see what she does. It's so pretty. It's like a creamy highlighter. Hopefully I like it. Oh God. It says it's supposed to mimic the oils in your skin as well, so that it gives you like a natural dewy finish, like it's like your actual skin glowing. That is just popping. This is giving me more champagne-y gold than actual gold though, because it's sort of light. I'm gonna spray my face first before I put my lipstick on. I'm just using that dark brown lip liner. I'm wearing the Always Extra maxi skirt set. It's a size 2X. And then my shoes are, these are the ringtone fur heels. And they're a size 11. This wig was sent to me like, God, I don't know if it's been a year or 2 years. But I don't know. I will link her Instagram down below. And I'll also link the hair review down below in case you want to see it. And then my earrings, I think I got them from Zen. And then my necklace is from Just Made. I will link that down below as well. And guys, in case you're wondering, this lipstick, this is like a creamy texture. It's sort of matte looking, but it's a creamy matte. So take that and go with it. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. MelissaDanielle.